my name is Will Carpenter and I'd like to welcome you to Magic 36. And today we're going to check out the magic secret. Many people have written about the secret of wealth as well as the secret of health, but few have looked at the secret of secret. So that's what we're going to do, pull us apart here. This means apart. And this is a part of it, and what's happened is this part, or the essential element, has been cut out by a ray, and it's been put away someplace so that you can't see it, and that's considered secret. But I'd like to say that I believe that our meanings of our words have been cut away from our consciousness and put into the unconsciousness, and they're in secret. In magic number 1, we looked at this word and we said, I characterize all matter is governed. And when we take a look at Om, we can say all one for matter, or all one motion. And when we use this Om, we can still say one motion or one matter. So if we said one magic or all one magic, we can change magic into all motion is governed. And that works, and that's a secret. And there's a 3-in-1 sound in Om, and in magic there's a body, mind, and heart that make one sound. That's the secret, and that's magic.